My lettuce is already cut up. And I am going to make a nice salad for my lunch. Well, it'll be more than just my lunch. Papa will eat this too. Those are going in there. Nice cucumber. Carrots. These are wonderful. And some pepper. Just chop it. Throw that in there. I'm going to keep my mushrooms set aside because he'll have a fit if I put it in there. But then again, he can just pick it out. So I'm putting them in there. I got a couple scallions. Those are going to go in there. Then I got a couple of radishes. I'm just going to slice them just like so. I'm going to do a piece of apple. My apple was washed too. I washed all my vegetables. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to put a little bit of cheese in here. Okay, now I got a little bit of walnuts. That's for my protein. Now you could put a little bit of meat in here, chicken, grilled chicken if you want. But this is all I did. Now my hands are clean. I'm just going to toss this around. This is going to be a wonderful salad. Now you can take, I'm going to use, I did find some low calorie, low fat, whatever you call it, ranch dressing. That's my favorite. I'm going to use that on my salad. John likes the Italian. But you can also make a wonderful, vinegar and oil, or even spritz a little bit of lemon on here if you choose. Okay, friends, there you have it. A very nice salad. I've got a little ranch dressing on it, a little pepper on it. You can do so much with this. It's wonderful. You can add more vegetables to it. You can add meat to it. You can add a little more cheese, nuts, fruit, whatever you want. It's a wonderful lunch, and it's packed with protein. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.